Hey everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. Yeah, eBay just gave me a heart attack. Known glitch with their gallery plus fee. Never clicked on it. I delete it every time I see it. So I click on my payments today, and this is what I see: a negative $13,694, all because of this gallery plus fee. Thousands, 13 thousands of them. I did call eBay customer support. It's a known issue. They're working on it, but hopefully no one else has this issue to this extent. The eBay rep, great eBay customer service, said I was by far the highest amount that she's seen today. Most are in the hundreds. So quite shocking to get a almost $14,000 bill from eBay. So that's it. Watch my other videos and have a great day.